Starting a blog in 2025 is a great way to turn your passion into a profitable business. Here's the blueprint to go from $0 to $100,000. Step 1. Pick a niche you're passionate about with demand. Use tools like Google Trends to validate its potential. Step 2. Get a reliable hosting service, a clean WordPress theme, and essential pages like About and Contact. Step 3. Post valuable, SEO-optimized content consistently. Focus on pillar content to establish authority. Step 4. Use SEO, social media, and email marketing to drive traffic to your blog. Engage with your audience regularly. Step 5. Start monetizing through affiliate marketing, display ads, or selling your own products like ebooks or courses. Step 6. Outsource tasks, focus on high-traffic content, and invest in paid ads to scale your income. Step 7. Add new income streams like memberships, podcasting, or partnerships to accelerate growth. By following these steps and staying consistent, you can build a successful blog in 2025 and earn up to $100,000.